Hey guys, this is UC from My Trade Price. You're looking at a chart, a tick chart of uh, NQ, uh, and I'm just going to try to show you the way I trade, right? And here's another tab with the 5 minute view, right? And then I have these levels that I draw uh, every day. One second, my son is here.
Oh,
Yes.
why are you saying it?
Okay, I'm recording a video. Can you leave for a few minutes and come back in some time? Okay. So here's let's discuss levels first, right? So here are the overnight levels, and they change once the US market opens, right? So right now we're sort of consolidating here under 820. Let me adjust that level. This one looks like uh, the level it's kind of bouncing from right now. This one is not valid anymore, and this one's sort of a resistance 901 area. So it's a 1 minute chart. So let me drill to 5 minute view so that you guys have a better understanding. So this is what it looks like, right? It's bouncing from 5 minutes. So this is sort of buy zone, right? This is a short zone, and then we are here in the middle. But I'm going to scalp in Ninja Trader, okay? In a Ninja Trader, what I've done is I have this chart, which is a 5 minute chart, right? Which looks exactly the same as this one. And then I have this tick chart. So you can read all about it, what tick chart is, but it kind of gives you better entry uh, and it's not dependent on the time, right? It's dependent on the number of transactions that are happening within a given bar, whatever parameter you set, right? So right now you can see that we have some uh, selling pressure here as evident by top wicks, and then we have some support right here. Let me see if I have that. Okay, control. Yes, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's look to trade. I would like to buy actually on a red bar, and then if it goes green, I think I would like to buy here. If I look at the 5 minute view, we see some bottom wicks right here, chart holding this 770 level and are trying to get back up. Okay, so let's see if we can drill down to a lower time frame here. And let me select my template. Let's do buy stop order. Let's look at that. Okay, let's try to buy it right here. Oops, did not buy. What was that? Maybe I missed it. Uh, okay, it will. Here you go. And it shows you the profit and loss right here, right? So as the price moves up, you can improve your stop loss, right? So I'm scalping, right? So I'll be looking to take quick profits or quick losses on this trade. Okay, so now it's kind of going against me. Okay, so we'll see. And the 5 minute chart looks still okay here. Uh, Looking for a move to the upside here. Maybe I got in a little early, but it's okay. Sorry for the little disturbance. My daughter was here. She wanted something. So right now we're losing 1,000. My stop loss is around 2,000 on this one, so we're gonna move this one down to 95, 75, which is like below the structure here. So let's kind of keep going. Try to write this higher, right? Um, because it looks good here in 5 minutes. It's trying to break out. So I'm gonna use my stop loss here at this time. Actually, what I can do is, oops. So I can take some two off here, right? And I can improve my stop loss on the remaining two so that it does not give me, you know, a red trade at least. Now, at least it's a free trade. It will give me profit anyways, right? And I'll try to see if I can squeeze more or not. I don't know. But if it gets stopped out, it gets stopped out. It's okay. I already took profits on two. And I'm raised the stop loss by 15 points, at least 15 points, yeah. So if it stops me out because of these top picks right here in this area, that's fine too. I'm gonna keep raising my stop loss here. Time 5 minute chart looks nice. We have 2 minutes. All right, let it go. Try to squeeze as much as I can. Come on, come on. Let's see if I can take one, one out. I took one more out, right? Increase the stop loss on this one. Let's see. So I have two left, right? So I'll just put one here. If it stops me out, it stops me out. It's okay. I have enough profits on this one now. 5 minute looks nice here. It's trying to break out, but we still have about a minute left on the 5 minute bar to complete. So if this one, well, they always try to reverse it towards the end. That's it. Okay, there you go. I got stopped out in the last two, but still, nice $2,700 profit. Okay, these were 5 contracts altogether, which I trimmed. So all in all, looks good. But again, the reason I was looking to buy and not short was because I told you the read on the chart. That's what matters, right? That's what the process is. Don't worry about the results. The results will follow. You have to read the chart. That's what will give you profits. So if I show you, look at this, right? This was the buying pressure at this 1570.72 key level, right? And I was trying to buy just for a little bounce towards the midpoint of this range between 772 and 901. I would be shorting the stock on the NQ here if I start seeing some top wicks or things like that. But it can break out too. But again, at that time, you will read the candlestick structure to see what is going on in the lower time frame. You can always switch to uh, the tick chart, right, which gives you better entries if you are day trading, right? Because in the 5 minute chart, which is dependent on time, you don't really get into the trade until or unless, or that's what is recommended, until or unless the candle closes and takes its final shape. But if you drill down into a tick chart, right, depending on what is your parameter, mine is 1,000 ticks, it can give you better entries, right? It's not dependent on time. It's dependent on the number of transactions that you set it at. Okay, so you get the idea. Hope you guys like this little video. But remember, the key is price action read and then the process that you come up with to take the entries at specific key levels, right? You define these zones, buying zone, selling zone. So that will improve your results. That will give you consistency. Okay. Hope you guys like this. If you have any questions or anything, please drop me or any a note. Thank you.